Hi, I'm Art Zimmet of the child injury law firm Zimmet & Quarles. It's back to school time and our children are returning to school, and we want to make sure they do it safely. Here are 7 things your children need to do to make sure this year is a safe year at school. Florida's roadways are some of the most dangerous in the nation. But did you know that traveling by school bus is actually 16 times safer than traveling by car? However, accidents still occur. To make sure your child's trip to school is a safe one, teach them a few simple precautions. When they're crossing the road to get to the school bus, teach them to look to the left first, then to the right, and then to the left one more time before they cross the street. When getting off the school bus, teach them that it is unsafe and unwise to get off the school bus before it has stopped moving. Once they have gotten off the school bus, it is important that they make sure that the driver sees them before they go anywhere. To do this, they should take 2 large steps away from the school bus, and then if they have to cross the street in front of the school bus, take 10 large steps in front of the school bus before crossing in front of it. It's very important that the driver can see them before they cross the street. If your child is traveling to school on a bicycle, they should know a few simple safety precautions. Always wear a helmet first. In addition, children under 9 should not be riding their bicycles to school. It's important that children are able to look ahead and behind without swerving their bicycle. And always take note that when you look behind on a bicycle, you tend to move the bicycle in the direction to which you've turned your head. So if you're looking over your shoulder to the left, you're very apt to move your bicycle to the left and maybe into traffic. So it's important that when you're teaching children to ride bicycles, teach them to avoid this swerving when they're looking behind. If your child is traveling to school on foot, there are only 2 things they need to know. Of course, never accept rides from strangers. The second thing, when you're crossing the street, make sure the driver's eyes can see you. If you cannot see the driver's eyes, they cannot see you. You should not cross the street unless drivers can see you. Remember, if you've been injured, you might not need a lawyer. But before you sign any forms, hire a lawyer, or talk to an insurance adjuster, make sure you do yourself a favor and get the free books and valuable information at our website, zqlawyers.com.